Alright, let's go to question number 55, and it's from modern physics again. It's a hydrogen, deuterium, singly ionized helium, doubly ionized lithium. All have one electron. And we need to consider an electron transition from 2 to 1. That means Bohr's atomic model is valid. If the wavelengths emitted are this much, and we got to relate all the wavelength. Quite obviously, 1 by lambda is r z square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This thing is same for all. So you could see that wavelength has inverse relation with z square, and z for all are there. So a straight way relation that would go to option number D. Let's see question number 56 now. Question number 56 goes in this way. On heating water, bubbles detach and rise. If this small r is much less than capital R and surface tension is T, we need to calculate the value of small r just before it detaches and it rises. You could say that when it gets detached from the surface and it goes up, the force of surface tension would be acting completely throughout the circumference in this direction, and the resultant force of surface tension would be in the downward direction. So if we call this angle as theta, when it detaches, the force of surface tension would exactly be equal to upthrust. That's a situation when it gets detached. And in that situation, the force of surface tension, you could see, would be 2 pi small r into sine theta, because this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, and this angle would be theta. You could see sine theta is the downward component of the force, and that sine theta is small r by capital R into T. So you could see that is the force of surface tension which acts right here, the downward component of the force. And you could see that this force has to be equals to the upthrust, and the upthrust part would be equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube density of water multiplied by G. Unfortunately, the option given in the question book does not match. This is the solution to the best of our knowledge. Question number 57 is from sound. There is a closed organ pipe of length 85 centimeter and speed of sound is 340. We got to see the number of frequencies below 1250. So that comes straightway 2n minus 1 V by 4L less than 1250 Hertz. Putting the value of V, putting the value of L, you would get the possibility or the total number of frequency which lie below 1250 is 6. Let's go for question number 58. Electric field is given and we got to calculate VA minus VO, where VO is potential at origin, VA is potential at x equals to 2. So ये straightway VA minus VO is minus 30 x square dx E dot dr, using the definition of conversion of electric field into potential. Upper limit will be A, lower limit will be O, so 2 and 0, and on calculation this comes out to be minus 80 volt.